Ambi Valley India Bridal Fashion Week in association with Azwa के डे 2 पर एस डिजाइनर्स पल्लवी जयकिशन एंड गौरव गुप्ता showcase their designs. We saw many B-Town beauties like Aditi Rao Hydari, Kalki, Prachi Desai, Kajal Agrawal, Kiran Rao gracing the red carpet. All these celebrities attended the day 2 of Ambi Valley India Bridal Fashion Week in association with Azwa, and they had come here to support their favorite designer Gaurav Gupta.
He's, to me, very special designer and person. So I'm here for him and I'm wearing Gaurav. And I think for a bride who is very special, for her to pick something that is, I think Gaurav is a perfect choice for a bride for any occasion, because I think he blends traditional, feminine with sort of spunk and something edgy.
Our fashion weeks here are always really exciting. You get to see some gorgeous outfits, and today one of my favorite designers, Gaurav Gupta is showcasing his collection. I had to be here, and I was rather thrilled to be wearing one of his creations. Yeah.
Moving on, we also spoke to the designers who showcased their collection और इन्होंने हमें बताया कि इस बार उनके collection में क्या खास बात थी.
I don't have to do anything obvious to make things special and different. It comes to me naturally, and it is. I did a lot of gowns, sari gowns. I think we've already changed the face of the sari in India and for the world. It's more like global couture coming from India. So it doesn't have to be Indian in its essence, and that's my philosophy around all these silhouettes and all these colors and the shoulder pads and all these kind of different embroideries. I hate the monotonous. I get really bored. So I have to do something different to each outfit and the whole collection.
This is the first time I've done a collection of jewellery, which is made of components got from all over the world, especially Czechoslovakian filigree jewellery. And then I mounted them and did embroidery and all around it, and you saw it on all the models today.
तो ये थी Day 2 की सारी highlights of Ambi Valley India Bridal Fashion Week in association with Azwa. To know about all the updates of this grand fashion show, keep watching Planet Bollywood News every day at 7 p.m. and Be Tonight Monday to Friday at 10 p.m. only on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.